Alright. This pair of shoes right here, I've been wanting to get for a little while now. For one simple fact, they lace themselves. Okay, they don't really lace themselves, they tighten. For those that are, you know, want to pick at the little details, they are self-tightening basketball shoes. And I've wanted a pair ever since the first Adapt BB was brought out. These are the Nike Adapt BB version 2. But yeah, let's get into the box. Got this little box here. I'm assuming, yep, charger cable, power brick. It's all good. And then we have the shoes. Yep. We got instructions that definitely not gonna read. And the charge plate. Alright, so straight away, the first thing that I notice about these, they're definitely a lot heavier than I thought they would be, but not like to the point that it would be heavy on your foot to play in, I don't think. They obviously house the lacing system right in this area. So the cushioning in the first iteration of the shoe was Cushlon foam. Now, people were saying that though it was comfortable, it wasn't as responsive as they'd want while playing. So they've now, in this version, you can see there, they got Zoom Turbo cushioning in the forefoot of the shoe. The Zoom Turbo cushioning you could see in the Carry 5s and 6s. So now they brought it over to the Adapt BB2, and yeah, the first version of these had a shroud that went right up to the top of the shoe, made it very hard to get your foot into the shoe. So for them, I guess they've shortened the shrouds, they've put it down to just below the tongue, and so it gives you more access to the shoe. In the first iteration as well, they hid the cables that help to obviously tighten the shoes once you put your foot in them. I got them a little while ago. I got them I want to say 2 weeks ago, and I tried it on immediately. I put my foot in, hearing the noise, everything was just crazy. I was just like, I'm Iron Man. My suit is housed in the shoes. As soon as I press the button to tighten up, I'll take it. But yeah, so let's try this on. Mama! I'm filming the video. No, it's not an exercise video. It's a shoes video. Oh, yeah, of course. Cool. Yeah. Alright, you're gonna spruce yourself up and come back, yeah? Okay. My mother. Oh man. Okay. So after trying them out, they definitely do feel heavier on my foot than the pair of shoes I usually play in. I normally try and play in the Browne 9s, and I got the Kobe 5 Protro that are normally my go-tos. But they definitely feel heavier than that. But I mean, they have to house a power lacing system, so of course that's going to be where some of the weight comes from, and then everything around that to keep it secure and compact, and to deal with all the flexing the shoe's going to have to do while you play. You can understand why it feels as heavy as it does. It's insane that this is where we are, you know. Tech in shoes. Starts out Back to the Future with self-lacing shoes. Obviously people got annoyed at that after people were like, they're not self-lacing, they're self-tightening. It's like, come on man, leave that alone, yeah? And now we got them in a basketball shoe. Like, crazy. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, I can't wait to get to test these out properly. I might do a follow-up video after I get to playing them, you know, give my thoughts. You can also download the app. The app will let you configure some like tightening settings, so you can, once you tighten them to a certain point where you feel it's good for you, you can save that preset, and so whenever you put your foot in the shoe, it'll just tighten to that point and you're good to go. It also lets you mess around with the color of the lights here. These are charging just now, so they'll be flashing green. But yeah, there you have it. Nike Adapt BB 2.0. I'd really like to get the gamer exclusive ones that are red, the all red ones. Red's my favorite color, so love that. But we'll see if I manage to get my hands on them. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe. Like I said, if you want, if you're liking all this. But yeah, I hope you have a good day and stay safe. Ten, 9, 8, 7. Why are you walking there? 6. You gotta walk back here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoop whoop! See, normally, am I on?
Yeah, you gotta come down a bit. Hold on, I'll give you the seat.
Give me the seat. I've got something to get off my chest.
Okay, go on.
Number 3 is my lucky number. I've got 3 kids. My birthday is on the 3rd of June. And you morning that I pick your stuff. Well, if I had a girl, I would have shared her stuff. At the moment, you're my son, and I can nick your stuff, and you can moan as much as you want. But I'm your mom. Stay safe, and we shall be back together again soon. Mama Browne signing up. Love you. Pow.
You said Mama Browne signing up.
Signing off. I mean, signing off. I mean, you don't want to listen to it more of it. See, I can never get my words straight. I can never.